Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get the new Instagram update. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to get the new Instagram update. So basically, let's say that you open Instagram and you have been facing some kind of bugs, and you have been also waiting for some of the new features, and then let's say you are not being able to message, you're not being able to see the reels, you're not being able to watch IGTV, which was actually recently removed, by the way. So if you're looking for that, then that is not the option anymore. And let's say any type of bugs you have been actually facing, and what can you do in order to update and fix this application. So we are going to learn how we can do that, so make sure to stick with us till the end. First of all, we want to make sure we are connected to a very reliable internet connection. So swipe down here, quick panel settings from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you want to simply make sure you are connected to the internet. Tap on the internet or the Wi-Fi, go ahead and connect to your cellular data, which I don't really recommend actually in order to update the download, but then you can go ahead and do that if you have much data left, or you could actually switch to the Wi-Fi as well. So once you are connected to this Wi-Fi, let's say that you have an iOS instead. In my case, I have an Android. You have to open your app store, and in my case, I'm going to open the Google Play Store. Just open your app's device's respective app store. So what you have to do is, after you open your app store, you'll be able to see a bunch of different games and apps, and what you have to do is, from the top of the screen, tap on the search box, and then you want to simply type in Instagram. So go ahead and simply type in Instagram and then hit enter. Once you actually open and search for Instagram, you'd basically be able to see the Instagram app at the top of the screen. Now in my case, you are seeing the open button. However, if you have an update available, you'll be able to see a green update button for Android users, and for iOS users, you'll basically be able to see a blue update button. So basically that is how it is actually going to work. You have the option called update, and in order to update it, you simply have to tap on the update button. And let's say that you actually updated the Instagram app, but it still didn't help fix your issue. For that, what you have to basically do is, and what you can do is, if you're an iOS user, you can simply offload the app. So if you don't know how to offload, then you can open settings and you can go to general, then iPhone storage, search for Instagram, and then offload the app. For Android users, what you could do is simply reset the app by going to the app info page, and then you want to simply select storage and cache. So tap on storage and cache button, which you see, and then you can tap on clear storage as well as also clear the data. Right over here you can see it says delete app data. Go ahead and delete it and open Instagram multiple times to keep on doing it, and then hopefully this would have fixed the issue. But basically this was it on how you can get the new Instagram update. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down under the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.